The rapid transformation of industries all over the world is being pushed by autonomous artificial intelligence, which is powered by self-learning algorithms and machine learning capabilities. It is possible for these systems to process enormous volumes of data, learn from patterns, and make decisions without the need for human intervention. This will usher in a new era that is characterized by increased productivity, creativity, and disruption. Autonomous AI in manufacturing, revolutionizing production. Production lines are being revolutionized by autonomous artificial intelligence in the manufacturing industry, which is enabling factories to become more intelligent, efficient, and flexible. Increasingly, tasks that need accuracy, consistency, and adaptability are being taken over by robots that are powered by artificial intelligence. With the help of artificial intelligence AI, robots in smart factories are able to self-optimize production flows, thereby minimizing downtime and enhancing overall efficiency. Autonomous artificial intelligence systems monitor equipment in real time, identifying breakdowns before they occur and ensuring that production is not stopped. This is what is known as predictive maintenance. Artificial intelligence provides flexible, on-demand production in which machines may transition between different jobs and generate customized goods with minimal intervention from humans. This type of manufacturing is known as customized manufacturing. Autonomous artificial intelligence in the healthcare industry. Personalized medicine and diagnostics. When it comes to diagnosis, treatment planning, and patient care, the healthcare industry is undergoing transition as a result of the assistance that autonomous AI systems provide. Through the examination of enormous datasets containing medical records, genetic information, and clinical trials, artificial intelligence is altering the manner in which healthcare is provided. Self-learning artificial intelligence systems analyze patient data, medical imaging, and test results to produce extremely accurate diagnoses. These systems frequently spot diseases earlier than human doctors do. Precision diagnostics is a subfield of artificial intelligence. Personalized treatment. Artificial intelligence has the ability to build individualized treatment regimens for patients based on their genetic makeup, lifestyle, and medical history, which can greatly improve the outcomes. Autonomous artificial intelligence-powered robots provide assistance in the performance of complex surgical procedures with increased precision and reduced invasiveness, resulting in a reduction in the amount of time it takes for patients to recuperate. Autonomous artificial intelligence in finance, making decisions based on data. Trading techniques, risk assessment, and fraud detection are just some of the areas that are being revolutionized by autonomous artificial intelligence in the financial sector. When it comes to analyzing market patterns, making decisions in real time, and identifying anomalies, financial institutions are increasingly turning to self-learning algorithms. Artificial intelligence algorithms perform autonomous analysis of market data and execute trades based on trends in previous data, frequently beating human traders. This type of trading is known as algorithmic trading. Self-learning artificial intelligence models detect anomalous activity in transactions, thereby preventing fraudulent behavior and enhancing security in real time. This method is referred to as fraud detection. Risk management. Autonomous artificial intelligence systems can identify risks in investments, thereby assisting businesses in making decisions based on data and reducing the odds of future losses. Autonomous artificial intelligence in transportation, the future of mobility. The most prominent example of autonomous artificial intelligence is probably autonomous vehicles, AVs, and the development of these vehicles is expected to reshape the transportation and logistics industries. Automobiles, trucks, and drones that drive themselves are already being tested for general usage, which promises to make transportation safer, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. Autonomous vehicles are able to navigate highways, avoid obstacles, and make judgments in real time. The goal of these vehicles is to reduce the number of traffic accidents that are caused by negligence on the part of humans. Autonomous freight. Artificial intelligence-powered trucks and drones are causing a revolution in the logistics business by making it possible to carry goods in an efficient manner around the clock without the employ of human drivers or pilots. Optimization of traffic. Systems that are controlled by artificial intelligence are able to monitor traffic conditions in real time, which allows them to optimize routes for autonomous vehicles and make urban areas less congested. The application of autonomous artificial intelligence in retail, personalized and supply chain optimization. Self-learning systems are driving personalization, streamlining processes, and improving consumer experiences, and retail is another industry that is being changed by autonomous artificial intelligence for these reasons. Personalized recommendations. Autonomous artificial intelligence analyzes the interests and purchasing behavior of customers and then provides highly personalized product recommendations that enhance the user experience and boost sales. Supply chain automation. Artificial intelligence systems optimize the supply chain by forecasting demand, controlling inventories, and automatically ordering goods. This maximizes the availability of products at the precise moment they are required. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants handle client inquiries and complaints, offering support around the clock with minimum involvement from human staff. This type of customer service is known as automated customer service. Autonomous artificial intelligence in agriculture, achieving sustainable farming and optimizing yields. Through precision farming, which increases crop yields, decreases waste, and maximizes resource utilization, autonomous artificial intelligence is bringing about a revolution in the agricultural industry. The goal of self-learning robots is to maximize crop productivity by analyzing weather patterns, soil conditions, and crop health respectively. In precision agriculture, devices powered by artificial intelligence monitor and analyze every aspect of farming, from the requirements for irrigation to the methods for controlling pests, to ensure that crops receive the best possible care. Tractors and drones that drive themselves are examples of autonomous machinery. These machines are capable of doing activities such as planting, watering, and harvesting with greater efficiency and precision than that of traditional methods. Sustainable practices. Artificial intelligence helps to lower the environmental footprint of farming by optimizing resource utilization. This reduction in environmental footprint helps to solve difficulties such as water scarcity and soil deterioration. Autonomous artificial intelligence in the field of education, adaptive learning, and personalized instruction. Personalized learning environments, training that is tailored to the specific requirements of individual students, and improved educational outcomes are all being created by autonomous artificial intelligence in the field of education. Artificial intelligence-driven platforms that evaluate a student's strengths and weaknesses and then change the curriculum and the pace of instruction in order to maximize the student's learning outcomes are known as adaptive learning systems. Automated grading. Autonomous artificial intelligence has the ability to evaluate tests, essays, and assignments, thereby minimizing the amount of work that teachers have to do and providing students with feedback in real time. Virtual tutors. Virtual tutors driven by artificial intelligence are available around the clock to provide students with assistance with learning material, offer answers to problems, and create individualized study schedules. In the creative industries, autonomous artificial intelligence is redefining art and media. Artificial intelligence is gradually making its mark in the creative industries, as evidenced by its ability to generate art, compose music, and write. In this day and age, the concept of creativity is being redefined by algorithms that are capable of self-learning. AI-generated art. Autonomous artificial intelligence has the ability to create paintings, sculptures, and digital art, which challenges conventional ideas about human creativity. Through the process of learning from thousands of different musical compositions, artificial intelligence systems are able to produce creative works of music, generating sounds and genres that are completely unique to themselves. Content creation. Artificial intelligence is being utilized in the media sector to produce news stories, scripts, and even books. This allows for the automation of the content creation process while yet keeping a quality that is comparable to that of a human. The obstacles and ethical preferences involved in autonomous artificial intelligence. Autonomous artificial intelligence presents a number of issues, particularly in the areas of ethics, employment, and data privacy, despite the fact that it has enormous potential possibilities. Concerns regarding job displacement are raised as a result of the proliferation of self-learning machines, which are expected to replace functions that have historically been carried out by people. Additionally, there are ethical concerns regarding the decision-making process, accountability, and transparency of artificial intelligence, particularly in fields such as healthcare and autonomous cars, where the existence of human beings is at stake. Important ethical questions regarding artificial intelligence and employment. How can businesses strike a balance between the advantages of automation and the imperative to safeguard human employment and livelihoods? In the event that an autonomous artificial intelligence system makes a mistake, particularly in essential industries such as healthcare and transportation, who is accountable for the consequences? Privacy of data. As autonomous AI systems continue to collect and analyze huge volumes of data, the question arises as to how businesses can protect the confidentiality and safety of the information they acquire. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, drop a comment. Don't miss out on our latest content. Hit that subscribe button now.